Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical video in Squarespace. This is particularly useful if you're incorporating content from platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok into your website and you want it to display properly without awkward gaps on the sides. To start, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites from your dashboard. Simply click on the website where you want to add the vertical video. This will open up that specific site's management area, giving you access to all the editing tools you need. Now, look at the left side menu and click on Website. Under this option, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This section displays all the pages that make up your website structure. Next, select the specific page where you want to add your vertical video. Once you've found it, click Edit to open the page editor. This is where you'll be able to modify and add content to your page. Within the page editor, navigate to the section where you want your video to appear. Click Add Block, and from the menu that appears, select Video. This creates a new video block on your page. Now click on the video block you just added, and you'll see an option that says Add Video. Click on it. Squarespace will present you with several options for adding your video content, including Upload File, Select from Library, and Add from Link. For this tutorial, we'll select from the library option, browse through your library, find the vertical video you want to use, and click Add. Once the video is added, you'll notice something frustrating. There are gaps on the sides of the video, which definitely looks unprofessional and isn't the clean look we're going for. To fix this, click Save and then click Exit to leave the page editor for now. This is where we'll use some custom CSS to properly format the vertical video. Back in the left side menu, click on Custom Code, and under it, select Custom CSS. This opens up a text editor where you can add custom styling code to your site. Now paste the CSS code here. You'll want to pause the video at this point so you can copy the code exactly. An important note, you can edit the padding bottom value, which is set to 120% in the code, to whatever fits your specific video dimensions best. After you've pasted and adjusted the code, click Save. Now you can click Edit again to return to the page editor. You'll notice that you can now resize your video without those annoying gaps on the sides. The video will display properly in its vertical format, looking clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save one final time to lock in all your changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.